Do you think a B16A, B16B is a good motor swap for a DC4 chassis? Now, a DC4 chassis is this car, but I just call it a DC2 because this is what people think. Like it's a DC2 and this body style is a DC2. And growing up, I thought this body style was a DC2, but actually a DC4 is anything but like a GSR or a Type R. So yeah, like an LS. This is an LS car. Technically, this is a DC4 on the VIN. I just call it DC2 because when I say DC4, people get lost. Like, what is a DC4? I'm like, oh God, it's a DC2. And they're like, oh, a DC2. Okay, yeah. A good swap for a DC4, a B16A, I probably wouldn't go that route, but I know some DC4s or this DC2, DC4 Integra, this body style came with a B16, I think in Japan or Europe, which is wild. But I'd keep it B18. K20s are so cheap. You could buy a K24 swap for $650, $700. So there's really no need to go B16A. Plus, it's hard to find parts. For instance, look at this. I'm grabbing something off the camera. B18 distributor. See this? Honda boys are probably foaming at the mouth right now. I have a spare, and this is an OEM. Super hard to find a clean distributor. So yeah, if you're dealing with a B16 that's old or a B18, you're gonna have to find stuff like that. But yeah, this is kind of besides the point. If I was gonna swap something that will last a long time and you're not worried about like finding parts, K24. But at the minimum, I'd put back a B18 in there. All right, unless your car came with a B16, which is very rare, but yeah. Let's see. Ghost Water SC. When are we getting a Miata FPV drive? I have a lot of videos of the Miata FPV. You had to just go back a few years, or you type in Google. This is the best way to find my videos is on Google. Type in OMG Miata driving. You'll find the videos 1000%. Like I've done it myself. Sometimes I can't even find my own content because I just post too much. So next question here is Starburger _ Rosv. What car is best at 18? Oh brother, I don't know. What car is best at 18? I guess the best car at 18 is what you can afford. So if you can only afford a Honda Civic, then that's probably the best car for you. It really depends on your budget, right? What are we working with? If I only had 5 Gs at 18, the best car would be... It depends. Do you need space or do you not need space? If you don't need space, try to find yourself a used Mazda Miata. I know $5,000 is kind of hard, but you'll find $5,000 Miatas, and they're super easy to work on, parts everywhere, they're pretty much bulletproof, and they're really fun to drive. Otherwise, I would get myself like an EG or an EK because you can find those for about 5 Gs with an engine that's running. You can find shells, like Type R Jose will give away like a shell, or not give away shell, but like sell a shell for like $3,000 or something. So EG, DC, like this one, EK, you can buy those used for about 5 Gs. Not like the best condition, but you know, if you want to buy just a shell and swap it, it's doable. Mazda Miata, and that's pretty much it. That's what I would do. But again, it depends on your budget. If you have unlimited budget, then you get whatever you want.